Hi, I thought I'd do this quick ass toy review because it's pretty simple. Do it with one hand. Got a new headset, so it might come out a little better. Uh, this guy's the Lionizer from Transformers. Obviously, I like Transformers. He turned into a sword. Pretty simple. Get transformed because he's bare like a sword. Doesn't really look like a lion, does he? No, he doesn't. It's just gotta, yeah. Okay. Then eat, eat, eat. Bam, he's a sword now. He also comes with this effect piece. You can put right here. Got it. Look like he's slashing, just going through the Jews, killing them all. Slash, 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 slash. No? Let's see if I can. I got him today. I got both today. He was pretty expensive. He was 20. This guy was 6. It's pretty expensive too. But they're quality, very quality products. And come on. Bam. Alright, maybe I'll review this guy. Bye. Give thumbs up.